A big mistake that a lot of people make when they're mulching is they push the mulch up against the trunk of the tree like this and make this kind of volcano shape around it. What that does is this trunk now thinks that it's underground and it's gonna send roots out. It's gonna get to the outside of that volcano and realize there's air there, I don't wanna go that way, and start circling around inside the volcano. Now you have roots wrapping around your tree. So then as the trunk starts to get bigger, it expands into those roots. And it's basically like having a rubber band around your wrist. It cuts off the circulation as the tree expands, which kills it. It can't get nutrients and water up to the top because all of that flows through this top layer right underneath the bark. So when you have roots that go all the way around, they're called girdling roots. The way to know that your mulch is at the right spot is you can see where the root flares here. And that's exactly what it's called, a root flare. And it's a spot where the trunk just starts to come out into all of the roots branching out. This one looks a little funny because it is an apple tree that was grafted onto a dwarf rootstock. That's why there's this weird joint here. But you can still clearly see the root flare at the base. And that is the part where you should always have that exposed. The mulch is going to give you a nice shield from the sun to help prevent extra evaporation happening around here. It's gonna block out a lot of weed seeds from reaching the soil. It's gonna look nice and uniform. So now that this is correctly mulched, you should have a mulch crater, not a mulch volcano. We have a lot more information on composting and mulch on OCRRA's YouTube and on our Facebook page. And if you have a question that you really want an answer to, put it in the comments.